Are you tired of the same old lunch routine? Ready to spice up those noontime noshes? I've got just the recipe with today's Grategy Challenge. Feast your eyes on the Lunch Lottery. Here's a dish. Once a month, randomly pair your employees to have lunch together. It's a culinary adventure and a networking gold mine all rolled into one. Now, your company's picking up the tab so you can set the budget. But this just isn't about free food for a few employees. It's about breaking bread and barriers. It's a chance to connect and collaborate. So mark the calendars and determine how you'll choose each month's winners. Because when you mix up the lunch routine, you're cooking up a recipe for team success. And if you're taking the challenge, go ahead and use #LunchLottery. I'm Lisa Ryan, and I'll see you next time. Hey, subscribe to my channel and check out the description below for some awesome extras you don't want to miss. Catch you in the next video.